Day 15 of the month of July challenge. The magic of raindrops. Last night we had more rain. So I went out to the garden this morning and look how magical it is. All the plant leaves and flowers are just covered in raindrops. It's so beautiful. I love this. Look at this close-up. There's just so many raindrops on the petals. It's actually really cool. So it's a beautiful day in the garden. Lots of rain, lots of water. Everything is so green and lush, and the flowers are they're just loving it. Enjoy the beautiful scenery of nature with its lush greens and bright flowers after a rain. Have an amazing day, and remember to let your creativity shine.